When this customer called us, he wanted a full remodel on the interior. They wanted a full update on the exterior. This is a house that they lived in previously. They also rented the home out. So it just had a lot of wear and tear, and in order to get the best value for the home, they really needed to do a nice update, and that's exactly what we did. Some of the work that we did really starts from the exterior. We gave them a new concrete driveway. There was a full exterior repaint, recaulk job. On the interior, we fully remodeled the kitchen, opened it up. There was this wall in the middle of the kitchen that was from the 80s. We removed the wall, updated the cabinetry. The hardwood floors were original. Floors got resanded. Downstairs, we installed new LVP flooring. Bathrooms all got updated. The master bathroom, we were able to actually expand a little bit, give it a different layout, a modern layout. The shower was in the right place. It allowed us to give them 2 vanities.